Have you heard the phrase, the grass is always greener on the other side? Today, I'm going to talk to you about a lesson that I learned from the experience of being in the lockdown in Sri Lanka due to the global pandemic, COVID-19. For over 10 years, I have been working day in and day out from Monday to Friday and sometimes on Saturdays as well. And every Sunday, I would think, oh, I wish I didn't have to go to work tomorrow. I wish it was a holiday tomorrow. Do I really have to go to work? Every Sunday and Monday morning, I would think this. And I would think of ways that I could take holidays as well. On March 15th, on a Sunday, the government of Sri Lanka announced that because the first coronavirus patient was identified in Sri Lanka, going forward, all Sri Lankans are to work from home, and there started the lockdown in Sri Lanka. Today is the 16th of April, and after 1.5 weeks of working from home, every Sunday I would think, oh, I wish I could go back to work. I wish I could go there. I would be able to fix more things, do things better. And I had to make a whole change in how I did things. And it felt so much easier if I had just gone to work. And this is when I realized that the grass always seems greener on the other side, even when you actually get to the other side. Then the grass looks greener back there. So then I thought to myself, you know what? I'm going to do what I thought I would do if I had all this time in my hands. The excuses that I gave when I was back working, I don't have time and I don't have time to do this, I need daytime to do that. And I thought, okay, I need to start doing the things that I thought I should be doing. So by the third week of working from home, I woke up every morning, I did some exercises, I did some yoga, I spent more time with my family, I made sure I read, I started reading, and I also tried my hand at gardening. I wouldn't know the results until the end of the month, but I hope it works out. So after doing all of that, I realized 3 things. One is that the grass is not always greener on the other side. The grass is greener where you learn to water. So if you water where you stand, then that's where the grass will be the greenest. The second lesson that I learned was that the grass will only become greener if you work hard for it. If you change your attitude, if you change your mind to know that you are valued where you are and start applying it to your life, that is when the grass will be greener where you stand. And the third lesson that I learned was that the grass may look greener on the other side. It's because that the grass, somebody else has been working hard to make that grass look greener, or it's a lot of bull manure. So at the end of this lockdown, I hope that all of you would have come out of this, and when we have to go back into our workplaces, go back to the rat race, you will come out of this time with a new knowledge, with new skill, or a new habit that will enrich your life. So don't let this time just go to waste. Don't regret that you did not acquire anything. Do something now. Start something today. And I hope this video will help you and encourage you before you go back to the rat race to start something new. Thank you.